Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Monday, June 24th. Well, we can see the market backed off a bit. I was looking for a stronger close, a sign of confidence. Had a pretty good week this week though in these stock indices. One of the issues was what's happening with Iran, the Trump administration ordering an airstrike and then deciding not to have that airstrike. They canceled it when they found out that there would be a loss of life of about 150 people, and is it proportionate to shooting down a unmanned drone? And supposedly there's some other things coming down the road here that they're going to be doing against Iran for that act. But right now the market took some profit as we went into the weekend. I think that's reasonable. When you have the possibility of other things happening, I don't look for strong follow through in this market unless we get new news coming out over the weekend. But let's talk about the dollar. And you can see here it's weaker against the British pound. The British pound traded below its bearish level. The magnitude change in that market is $562.50. It does imply an update on Monday, but boy, it's going to have to give us a strong move as we talked about in the advanced video if indeed buyers are here. It's going to be an important parameter for this market in terms of action that we're going to see on Monday. But let's talk about interest rates. The 30-year bonds right on target. You want to see about half this range lower on Monday. In the metals, gold traded below its bearish level. The magnitude change, to give you that as a reference, is $3,900 a contract. I'm looking for an inside to possibly lower movement depending on the fundamentals that happen over the weekend. Silver also, I'm looking for an inside day. The magnitude change here between its bullish and bearish levels is $2,250 a contract. And over here, Mr. Copper, the magnitude change between that bullish level and bearish level is $200 a contract. And I'm looking for an inside day on Monday. In the energy market, nat gas continues lower. Look, and we have an inside day. This is right on target. I thought it might be a little bit lower for Friday's action, but look for a sideways move on Monday. And when it comes to the grains, soybeans traded below its bearish level. The magnitude change here in that market, again, just to give you a reference, is $1,500 a contract. And I'm looking for a little bit of movement to the downside, but basically a sideways move on Monday. And that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. I look forward to being with you again next week. In the meantime, take care.